Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as option A, identification, option B, nomenclature, option C, classification, or option D, taxonomy. The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as. The correct answer is option B, nomenclature. Question 2. Which of the following is or are criteria for five kingdom classification? Which of the following is or are criteria for five kingdom classification? Option 1, cell structure. Option B, mode of nutrition. Option C, phylogenetic relationships. Which of the following are criteria for five kingdom classification? The correct answer is option D, all the above. Question 3. How is natural classification different from artificial classification system? Option A. Only internal features were considered. Option B. Only external features were considered. Option C. Both the systems are same. Or option D. Both internal and external features were considered. Of these four reasons, what is the reason which makes natural classification system different from artificial classification system? The correct answer is option D. Both internal and external features were considered. Question 4. Radial symmetry is seen in option A, mollusca, option B, echinodermata, option C, annelida, or option D, platyhelminthes. Radial symmetry is seen in. The correct answer is option B, that is echinodermata. What is radial symmetry? You all must be knowing that an organism can be either asymmetric or symmetric. If the organism is symmetric, then there can be bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means if any plane passing through the body will divide the body into two equal parts. So it is seen in echinodermata. Question 5. Alternate type of phyllotaxy is seen in which of the following? In all of the following except. Four options are given. In out of these, three show alternate type of phyllotaxy and one doesn't. You have to identify which one is not showing alternate type of phyllotaxy. Option A, China rose. Option B, mustard. Option C, sunflower. Option D, calotropis. Alternate type of phyllotaxy is seen in all except. The correct answer is option D, calotropis. Question 6. Endark is seen in option A, stem. Option B, root. Option C, leaves. Or option D, both A and B, that is both stem and root. Endark is seen in. The correct answer is option A, that is stems. Question 7. Which of the following is not an example of specialized connective tissue? Which of the following is not an example of specialized connective tissue? Option A, tendon. Option B, bone. Option C, cartilage. Option D, blood. Of the four options, which one of these is not an example of specialized connective tissue? The correct answer is option A, tendon. Tendon is a dense connective tissue. It is not a specialized connective tissue, whereas bone, cartilage, blood are specialized connective tissues. Question 8. endomembrane system includes all except option A, endoplasmic reticulum, option B, lysosomes, option C, vacuoles, or option D, mitochondria. Endomembrane system includes all except. Four organelles of cell have been given in the options. You have to tell which of these does not form a part of endomembrane system in a eukaryotic cell. The correct answer is option D, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria doesn't form the part of the endomembrane system. Rest all are part of endomembrane system of a eukaryotic cell. Question 9. Enzyme which hastens rate of metabolic reactions are option A, proteins, option B, carbohydrates, option C, organelle of cell, or option D, cells themselves. Enzymes which hasten metabolic rate are protein, carbohydrate, cell organelle, cells. The correct answer is option A, that is proteins. Enzymes are proteins in nature. Question 10. The stage between two meiotic division is called as option A, interphase, option B, G1 phase, option C, G2 phase, or option D, interkinesis. Stage between two meiotic division is called as. The correct answer is option D, interkinesis. Guys, when you're reading the question, read it carefully. Over here it is asking meiotic division, not mitotic division. If the question would have been stages between mitotic division, that the correct answer would have been option A. However, since the question is asking about meiotic division, the answer is option D, that is interkinesis. Question number 11. Root pressure develops due to increase in transpiration, active absorption, low osmotic potential in soil, and passive absorption. Root pressure develops due to. The correct answer is option B, active absorption. Question number 12. For its action, nitrogenous requires light, Mn2, superoxygen radicals, or high input of energy. For its action, nitrogenase requires. The correct answer is option D, high input of energy. Question number 13. Manganese is required in plant cell wall formation, photolysis of water during photosynthesis, chlorophyll synthesis, or nucleic acid synthesis. Which process is manganese required in? The correct answer is option B, photolysis of water during the photosynthesis. Question number 14. Cytochromes are found in outer wall of mitochondria, cristae of mitochondria, lysosomes, or matrix of mitochondria. Cytochromes are found in. The correct answer is option B, they are found in the cristae of mitochondria. Question number 15. Photoperiodism was first characterized in tobacco, potato, tomato, or cotton. Photoperiodism was first characterized in. The correct answer is option A. It was first characterized in tobaccos. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.